I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. So here's my March 16th watch list, 2021. Blink, BLNK. Really want to see it get above 41 and hold. 41, we can start to trend reverse. Dash. I can remove that. Dash, we got real volume support here. It's kind of flatlining. Can we come back through here? Quite possibly. We're not going to do it in a day, but, Dash is pretty high on my call list. EXPE, it's just blasting. But if we retest 171 today, which is unlikely, but we'll see, it's going to be on my put list. Groupon, we talked about this last week. We got a little bit of a climb. Let's see what happens here. We can either turn down or we can turn up hard. So, above 61 and it holds, we're going up. 56 and below, we're going down. Netflix, right? The problem with Netflix is it's gapped up a little bit. So we got to be careful of the early sell-off. But yeah, so we can start to trend reverse this. It's been high as 593. Is their value at 520? PDD. Same philosophy here, right? We get above 160 and we hold. It's been 212. Snap. The problem with Snap is it's too extended for me. So just as easy as we can go up, we can go down. But if this consolidates really well and there's no volume selling, then we know which way it's going to go. And space. I really like space for a put. If 35.50 becomes resistance, we can easily go back down to 25. That's it. Good luck. Have fun.